welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Okay, love, so this wig is courtesy of Zury Hollywood. They sent me this wig and it's from their sister wig line, from their Beyond Your Imagination collection, and it is in the style BYD-LACE Roti. Roti, R-O-T-I, Roti. And this is in the color Psalm RT Caramel or Caramel, depending on how you say it. So it does include baby hair. It's a lace front, hand tied. They have sombre colors. It's Remy fiber, and you can use high heat up to 400 degrees on this unit right here. And on the back, as usual, they come with the wash and care instructions. So let's jump right into it. Okay, y'all, Zury is getting me right for spring, for summer. I'm so loving the light colors when they got dark roots, y'all. This is a winner for me because it has dark roots, as you guys can see. I don't think the dark roots are all the way through, because I think I saw something. Yeah, I don't think the dark roots are all the way through, but it's fine. I am not picky. I just like dark roots, at least up top. So yeah, I love it. This isn't what the unit originally looked like. It looked more so maybe like what the model is wearing. So I did show you guys what the wig looks like when I first took it out the packaging, as well as how I got it to this state right here. And so literally I just kind of brushed through the hair, but not really. Like I kind of just went around and just picked some spots to kind of brush. I didn't want to make it too big or comb too much of the curls out. So I just kind of went around just so that it wasn't, you know, too neat. And I just kind of wanted to see what it looked like. So this is what it looks like. I feel like it's definitely giving me like Beyonce vibes. I'm not saying I'm Beyonce. I'm just saying it's giving me Beyonce vibes. And so yeah, I love this caramel color. Like this is my first time trying this color. So I'm digging it. Y'all let me know if y'all digging it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how y'all feeling about this wig. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to be quite my summer hair, only because it's getting kind of hot as of right now. Like, I'm getting kind of hot. So, I don't know if I will want all this hair come summertime. But as of springtime, it's definitely in season for me. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you the unboxing process and how I got to this state right here. And so, I hope to see you guys in my next video.
I've been drink. I've been drink. I've been my better daddy, I want you. Can keep your eyes off my better daddy, I want